NASA find evidence of God in space? Shocking space discoveries. What if the universe is not an accident? What if the silence of space is actually filled with hidden meaning? From mysterious cosmic signals to perfectly balanced laws of physics, today we explore a shocking and fascinating question that has divided scientists and believers alike. Did NASA find evidence of God in space? Did NASA find evidence of God in space? This single question has captured the imagination of millions around the world. It appears in viral headlines, documentaries, debates, and late-night conversations. Some call it misleading, others call it revolutionary. But behind this question lies something much deeper, a human desire to understand why we exist and where everything came from. Let us begin with honesty and clarity. NASA has never officially announced that it discovered God, angels, or divine beings in space. There is no photograph of God floating among galaxies, no official scientific paper claiming proof of a creator. However, what NASA has discovered through decades of space exploration has opened doors to questions that science alone cannot fully close. The beginning of everything. One of the greatest scientific discoveries of all time is that the universe had a beginning. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe suddenly came into existence from an unimaginably dense and hot state. Before this moment, there was no space, no time, and no matter. This discovery shocked the scientific world. For centuries, many scientists believed the universe was eternal, without a beginning or an end. But modern cosmology suggests otherwise, and a beginning naturally leads to a powerful philosophical question. What caused the beginning? Science can explain what happened after the universe began expanding, but it cannot explain why the universe began in the first place. Cause and effect exist within time, but time itself began with the universe. So what exists beyond time? For many believers, this points toward a timeless creator. For skeptics, it remains an unsolved mystery. Either way, the question remains open. The fine-tuned universe. As NASA explored deeper into space, another astonishing reality became clear. The universe is incredibly fine-tuned for life. The physical constants that govern reality, gravity, electromagnetic force, nuclear energy, are set with astonishing precision. If gravity were slightly weaker, stars would never form. If it were slightly stronger, stars would burn out too fast or collapse. If the expansion of the universe were slower, it would collapse. If faster, galaxies would never form. These values are so exact that even a tiny change would make life impossible. This has led many scientists to quietly admit something extraordinary. The universe looks designed. Some explain this through the idea of multiple universes, suggesting we just happen to live in the one that works. Others argue that design implies intelligence. NASA's discoveries didn't prove God, but they revealed a universe balanced on a razor's edge. Mathematics written into reality. Another fascinating discovery is that the universe runs on mathematics. From the orbits of planets to the spiral of galaxies, mathematical patterns appear everywhere. Even chaos follows equations. Why should abstract mathematics invented in the human mind describe physical reality so perfectly? Many scientists have openly admitted this is deeply mysterious. Mathematics doesn't just describe the universe, it seems embedded in it. This has led some thinkers to believe that the universe is not random, but intentional. Messages from the deep cosmos. NASA has detected strange signals from space, radio waves, fast radio bursts, and unexplained cosmic phenomena. While none of these signals have proven divine origin, their complexity has fueled speculation and wonder. Each discovery reminds us how little we truly understand. Every time we answer one question, 10 more appear. Astronauts and the God perspective. Perhaps the most emotional insights come from astronauts themselves. Many astronauts, after seeing Earth from space, describe a powerful transformation known as the overview effect. From space, Earth appears as a fragile blue sphere, no borders, no divisions. Many astronauts report feelings of humility, unity, and deep spiritual awareness. Some say their belief in God strengthened. Others say their understanding of life fundamentally changed. Seeing Earth suspended in darkness often leads to one overwhelming realization. This is not ordinary. Faith, science, and the heavens. Ancient religious texts describe the heavens as signs, vast, ordered, and meaningful. For believers, modern astronomy does not weaken faith, it strengthens it. Each new discovery feels like uncovering another layer of creation. Science explains how the universe works. Faith asks why it exists. These two paths do not have to be enemies. The skeptical view. Of course, skeptics argue that invoking God stops scientific progress. They believe unanswered questions should remain unanswered until evidence appears. And this perspective is important. It keeps science honest. But even the greatest scientists admit that science has limits. It cannot answer moral questions. It cannot explain purpose. It cannot tell us why existence exists at all. So, did NASA find God? Not directly, not officially, not scientifically. But NASA did find something equally powerful, a universe so vast, precise, ordered, and mysterious that it forces humanity to confront the biggest questions ever asked. Are we the result of chance or intention? Is the universe a coincidence or a message? Perhaps the greatest discovery NASA ever made is not located in space, but within the human mind. The realization that reality is far deeper than we ever imagined. When we look into space, we are not just looking outward, we are looking inward. Space exploration doesn't destroy belief. It challenges us to think bigger, deeper, and more honestly about existence. Maybe the evidence of God is not written in stars, but in the fact that we can question the stars at all. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to our Global Mystery Nexus channel for more interesting, knowledgeable, and informative videos.